I just recently discovered how to make a financial freedom roadmap in 2024 and beyond. Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that by 2024, the concept of financial freedom is set to undergo a massive transformation? Stick around to find out more about this exciting journey towards financial independence. Today, we're diving into the realm of financial planning by discussing the importance of creating a financial freedom roadmap. This roadmap is your guide to achieving stability and security in your financial life. Let's explore how it can lead you to a brighter future. Achieving financial freedom is a dream for many, but it requires a well-structured plan and disciplined execution. Financial freedom means having enough savings, investments, and cash flow to afford the lifestyle you desire, without being dependent on a paycheck. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a financial freedom roadmap in 2024. Step 1. Define financial freedom. 1.1 Understand what financial freedom means to you. Lifestyle. Envision your ideal lifestyle, including where you live, how you spend your time, and what you do for leisure. Financial independence. Determine how much money you need to live comfortably without working. 1.2 Set clear financial goals. Short-term goals. Goals achievable within a year, such as building an emergency fund or paying off a small debt. Medium-term goals. Goals achievable within 1 to 5 years, like saving for a down payment on a house or buying a car. Long-term goals. Goals achievable in 5+ years, such as retirement savings or achieving complete financial independence. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. 2.1 Calculate your net worth. Assets. List all your assets, including savings, investments, real estate, and personal property. Liabilities. List all your liabilities, such as mortgages, loans, and credit card debts. Net worth. Subtract liabilities from assets to determine your net worth. 2.2 Analyze your cash flow. Income. List all sources of income, including salary, side hustles, and passive income. Expenses. Track all your expenses, categorizing them into fixed and variable costs. Savings rate. Calculate the percentage of your income that you save or invest. Step 3. Create a budget. 3.1 Develop a budgeting system. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a job, ensuring no money is unaccounted for. 3.2 Cut unnecessary expenses. Review subscriptions. Cancel unused or unnecessary subscriptions and memberships. Reduce variable costs. Look for ways to save on groceries, dining out, and entertainment. 3.3 Increase savings and investments. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Boost income. Consider side hustles, freelance work, or asking for a raise to increase your income. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. 4.1 Determine the amount needed. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of emergencies. 4.2 Choose the right account. High-yield savings account. Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account to earn interest while keeping it accessible. Step 5. Manage and reduce debt. 5.1 Prioritize debt repayment. High-interest debt first. Focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards, as quickly as possible. Debt snowball method. Pay off debts from smallest to largest to gain momentum and motivation. 5.2 Refinance or consolidate debt. Lower interest rates. Consider refinancing or consolidating loans to lower interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Step 6. Invest for the future. 6.1 Understand investment options. Stocks. Ownership in companies with potential for high returns. Bonds. Loans to governments or corporations that pay regular interest. Real estate. Property investments for rental income or appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs. Diversified portfolios managed by professionals. 6.2 Develop an investment strategy. Diversification. Spread investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly to mitigate market volatility. Long-term focus. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. 6.3 Maximize retirement accounts. Employer-sponsored plans contribute to 401k or 403b plans, especially if your employer matches contributions. IRAs. Open a traditional or Roth IRA for additional retirement savings with tax advantages. Step 7. Protect your wealth. 7.1 Insurance. Health insurance. Ensure you have adequate health insurance to cover medical expenses. Life insurance. Consider life insurance to protect your family's financial future. Property and casualty insurance. Protect your home and assets with appropriate insurance policies. 7.2 Estate planning. Wills and trusts. Create a will and consider setting up trusts to manage your estate. Beneficiary designations. Ensure all beneficiary designations on retirement accounts and insurance policies are up to date. Step 8. Continuously educate yourself. 8.1 Financial literacy. Books and courses. Read books and take courses on personal finance and investing. Podcasts and blogs. Follow financial experts and listen to podcasts or read blogs for ongoing education. 8.2 Stay informed. Market trends. Keep up with market trends and economic news to make informed investment decisions. Tax laws. Stay updated on tax laws and regulations to optimize your tax strategy. Step 9. Monitor and adjust your plan. 9.1 Regular reviews. Quarterly check-ins. Review your financial plan and goals quarterly to track progress. Annual reviews. Conduct a comprehensive review of your finances annually. 9.2 Adjust as needed. Life changes. Adjust your plan based on major life events, such as marriage, having children, or changing jobs. Market conditions. Adapt your investment strategy based on market conditions and economic outlook. Finally, creating a financial freedom roadmap in 2024 involves setting clear goals, building a solid financial foundation, investing wisely, and continuously educating yourself. By following these steps and regularly monitoring your progress, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with it. Start today, stay disciplined, and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. And be sure to check out our next video, where we'll delve into practical ways to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom in 2024. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.